Welcome to the Home Suite video series. In this tutorial, you'll get an in-depth look at the CRM dashboard sections and learn how to set your preferences within the CRM. Let's start by quickly refreshing you on the different sections in the dashboard. The pending leads section shows you all the leads you have received but not yet accepted. In the messages section, you can see all of the messages and communications that leads have sent you from your website. The inquiries section displays all of the contacts about property buying or selling that leads have sent you on the site. The requested showing section is where leads ask to see a specific home in person. As for requested valuations, just stay tuned, as this feature has not yet been activated. Now for a little deeper look. We'll start by clicking on pending leads. As you can see, we have one pending lead. We can either accept it right away or click review to learn more about it. On the review screen, you'll see basic information about the lead, like homes they're looking at, how often they're looking, favorites they've marked, and other insights into their home search activity. Let's click back to the dashboard so we can learn more about the messages section. When leads email you from the site, this is where you can read their message and reply directly to them. Next is the inquiry section. When leads want more information about a home for sale or help selling their own home, this is where those requests will live. Just like in the messages section, you can reply directly to the lead from here. Last is the section where you can view showing requests. You can follow up with each request by either setting up a day and time to show the home or by replying to the lead if you have follow-up questions about the request. Now that we've covered the sections of the CRM dashboard a little more deeply, it's time to look at the preferences section and show you how to change them. To get to the preferences section, click the hamburger icon in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard and then click Preferences. Once on the page, we'll scroll down to the sections we want to update. The first is the agent bio field. This is where you can type a brief description of yourself, which will appear on your agent profile page. Next is the professional title field. This is where you enter the title you'd like displayed next to your agent picture and on your profile page. Third is your email signature, which you can customize. This signature will appear on all communications you send to your leads through the CRM. Finally, you can include links to all of your social media profiles, which will be included in emails you send through the CRM. Next, let's scroll back to the top of our Preferences page. We'll click on the Preferences drop-down menu and select Notifications from the choices. On this page, you can select when and how you want to be alerted about lead activity on your website. The final preference changes you'll learn about is for Real Satisfied. To get there, click on the hamburger menu at the top right once again and click on the company icon. When the page loads, click Real Satisfied from the menu on the left. Your Real Satisfied testimonials will display, and you can then check or uncheck them based on which ones you want to show up on your profile page. This concludes the video tutorial for the Home Suite CRM's Dashboard and Preferences section. If you have additional questions, please contact HomeSuite at kansascityhomes.com. Thanks for watching.